How to download and install Roblox on PC and laptop. Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to download and install Roblox on your computer. So if you're ready to start playing but don't know how to set it up, just follow along step by step. Alright, let's dive in. First, open your browser and head over to roblox.com/download. I'll also leave the link down in the description so you can get there quickly. Once you're on the page, you'll see a big download button. Go ahead and click it, and the Roblox installer will start downloading right away. After it finishes downloading, open the installer file. This will automatically begin installing Roblox onto your computer. Just wait a moment while it completes the setup. When the installation is done, Roblox should launch on its own. From here, just log in with your Roblox account. And now you're ready to jump in and start playing games. Now, if you'd rather not download it from the website, there's another option. You can open the Microsoft Store, type Roblox in the search bar, and hit install. That works the same way and gets you playing just as fast. And that's it. Now you know both ways to download Roblox, so pick whichever is easier for you and start exploring all the games Roblox has to offer.